Okay, here's the story. I wanted to cover the back section of my patio with a roof enclosure and have a fireplace and TV and all that kind of stuff out there, but I have never done anything like this before. I have a neighbor that lives across the street who has done one, so I'm going to try to tackle this myself with his help, and just wanted to document it. I'm going to split it into a few parts. This is the preview. I've done the first 3 parts are completed so far. So this is after 3 work days. What you can expect it to look like. I'll show you the finished product that he did so you can see what the goal is. I always find that helpful to see what you're working for. So if you're interested in something like this, it's not terribly hard if you know the steps. So with his help, we're gonna see all the steps, and I think pretty much anybody with some technical skills and some tools can do this for yourself. Okay, as you'll see throughout the filming, it's going to be kind of hectic and fast-paced. I'll try to pause the video and explain some things, but as I'm shooting, I'm also helping them build, and I feel kind of bad when I stop helping and only film, so I don't get it filmed as well as I would like, but hopefully it is the details that you need to be able to do this if you want to.